Hey everyone, I'm Michael Short. Come on, let's go outdoors. Well, it has taken a lot of effort, especially those with the Alberta Trappers Association and by some key figures at Alberta Environment and Parks. But it's finally happened. Welcome to the Alberta Centre for Trapping and Bushcraft. Over the last number of years, the Alberta Trappers Association has wanted to develop a hands-on trapline that could serve as an educational tool. Recently, with the help of Alberta Environment and Parks, the long-awaited vision became a reality.
For a provincial government to engage with the trapping community on this level, to the extent that they have done it, is unprecedented. And that's one of the things that I think both have worked very hard to come together, engage in a meaningful way for the betterment of not only the trapping community and the fur bearer resource, but recognizing the value that comes out of that to all Albertans. And so we're very, very fortunate, very lucky to realize this here.
Trapping in Alberta is a tightly regulated industry. It's not a sport or hobby. Instead, trappers harvest fur on provincial crown and private land to help with population control and wildlife management. They fulfill a stewardship role that is essential to the registered fur management areas that they are responsible for.
And those are all values the department wants to promote. And I think, as people become more urbanized, you're a little bit more removed from that. And so to have organizations that will continue to educate and continue to carry on the activity, that needs to be recognized. And we need to recognize that because it plays an important part, not only to wildlife management, which I have referenced already, but also it's a part of our culture. And we need to recognize and showcase that.
The Education Centre will provide trappers with practical experience in managing large trap lines. It will also serve as a portal to a larger audience of outdoor enthusiasts.
Well, I think it's going to be a game changer in the fact that, our object is to help our trappers here in Alberta, but our plan is to go even larger. So we have people that want to come and learn. We've had people come and express interest from the Yukon Territory. Our neighbors in British Columbia, Saskatchewan, we've got a lot of people. We have issues with timber wolves down in the United States now, and some of those people are wanting to come up and learn, what do we do? Those are our wolves. They came from Alberta and BC originally. So they want to learn, how do we properly manage these? And this gives us an opportunity to take people out, and instead of just having a classroom setting where we can talk about this, we're actually taking them out in the bush.
This new education center will also provide an opportunity for the trapping industry to highlight the conservation work it does across the province, which could go a long way to remove some of the preconceived impressions of the industry.
Because if it's something that I don't know and I haven't ever seen, then I create images in my own mind. I may read some things that will, be critical. But for someone to come out to a center like this and experience it for themselves and actually see in practice what is going on and see the results of it, there's nothing that can replace that kind of an education.
Exactly. That's exactly it. There's a common bond there, and a lot of people are beginning to recognize the amazing landscape that we have in Alberta or all over Canada. It's the best country in the world, and there's still lots of bush despite all of the crazy things that have been done across the landscape. And a lot of people want more now. They're wanting to connect. They want to learn, and they want to make their own footwear. They want to know what it's like, and they want to see the process from, if you're taking the life of an animal, to take it right through. That's respect in its finest form, in my opinion, and this is an opportunity for us to teach people this. So the potential of expansion is enormous. So the board of directors have tried to keep me from getting too excited and running faster than we have legs to carry us. But we are expanding. We've expanded. This year we've added an additional couple of courses And we have 4 more for this next coming year that we're working on. I've already built the outline, so we're pretty excited.